So you've always supported body positivity. आपने एक film भी की Double XL. और अपने choices आपने काफी openly बात भी किया है, about weight and its issues, and I think today is it's a very important subject to tap on, and we must talk about it because सारी young लड़कियां also are going through so many mental health issues relating to body positivity. So I want to know what you have to say on that.
You are the pioneer in that.
हम तो बस
हमने सब आपसे सीखा है. I mean, you have been confident in your skin, no matter
Yeah.
what shape, no matter what size you are in, and वो ही इतनी बड़ी inspiration रही है, you know.
Yeah.
In fact, मैंने शायद किसी को बोला भी होगा, हाँ करीना तो करती है ना, ठीक है, वो चलता है. But really, I think जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी, I was very overweight actually. तो in my school and college years, तो बहुत लोग बात करते थे मेरे वेट के बारे में. तो आई यूज्ड टू somehow, you know, just sort of shut everything out, and मुझे ऐसे लगने लगा कि my weight is not the only thing that makes me.
Yeah.
And I think I started functioning in that way from a very young age. So that really helped. You know, in fact, जब मैंने दबंग किया तो I had become very, very fit. I was at the thinnest I had ever been, I think. और तब भी लोग बात करते थे.
हाँ.
तो I was like, अब मैं वो साइज क्यों तब भी बात कर रहे हैं, अब मैं ये साइज क्यों तब भी बात कर रहे हैं, तो लोग तो बात करेंगे ही अब.
Yeah.
अब तुम अपना काम करो, खुशी से करो, अच्छे से करो और आगे बढ़ो.
Yeah, absolutely.
And now, I mean, look at us, we're still here.
Yeah.
We're still killing it.
Yeah, absolutely. I do.
So, I mean, people can just say what they want. And you know, growing up, मुझे ये भी याद है, I never really had that role model. जिसे who I could look at, you know, when I was in college and school and say that, हाँ, look, it's okay to be like this and it's okay to be like me.
Yeah.
तो मेरे लिए बहुत important बन गया कि, you know, I present a healthy body image, and because I know how we used to feel, you know, in college कि हमें struggle करना होगा, weight loss करना होगा, पतले रहो.
Yeah,
It's
especially
too much.
हमारे profession में.
It's so much pressure.
Yeah.
Like even now I'm married and all, I've put on a little bit of weight. I'm happy, but
Yeah, of course,
you know, I'm
absolutely.
enjoying this whole period. कि मेरी शादी हुई है, I'm having, everybody wants to have lunch and dinner.
Yeah,
for us, you know,
yeah,
घर पे बुलाना, दावतें रखना, and also it's just like, what do? You have to enjoy life.
Of course, and
तो
you're happy.
होते
That
रहेगा,
is the biggest
yeah.
example.
I think so too.
No, absolutely.